Friends, welcome to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make delicious sweet Sabudana Kheer. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like and share and click on the bell icon. To make Sabudana Kheer, first we have to soak Sabudana at least 4 to 5 hours ahead. Wash Sabudana for 5 to 7 times to remove the excess starch. Now we will pour 1 cup of water. We have to just pour till the edge of the sabudana and let it soak for 4 to 5 hours. Also soak kesar. Here I have taken 10 to 15 flakes 1 to 2 hours ahead in 1 tablespoon of water. Let's see rest of our ingredients. 1 cup sabudana, also known as tapioca pulse or sago. It has been soaked and we can see that now they are separate and soft. Half cup of sugar. Sugar you can take as per your taste. 4 cup milk. Dry fruits I have taken pistachio and almond 10 to 15 pieces. Saffron and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, that is elaichi powder. To make sabudana kheer, if you have thick bottom pot, always take thick bottom pot so that our milk does not get burned. Add 4 cups of milk into it. And we will keep our flame low to medium and keep on stirring in between. Also scrape the sides and mix it with the milk. After one boil, we will add our sabudana. When we don't soak the sabudana, sometimes it becomes gluey and also sticky texture into the milk and the milk might get spoiled, and also it take a lot of time to cook for 2 minutes, and then we will add saffron water into it and mix well. The saffron water will give a beautiful color and the flavor into the sabudana kheer. When sabudana start floating on the top, it means it is ready and it has become very soft and transparent. At that time you will add dry fruits. Dry fruits here I have chopped pistachio and almond and kept little for garnishing. Also add 1/4 teaspoon elaichi powder, that is cardamom powder, into it and stir well. You can see that our sabudana kheer consistency is not very thick and thin. At this point we will add the sugar. Here I have add half cup sugar, but you can add up as per your taste. Stir well. On the low flame, we will mix the sugar until it dissolves. Now off the stove and remove from the stove and put it on the hot plate to cool off. At least for 1 to 2 minutes, keep on mixing so it does not become thick. Our sabudana kheer is ready to serve. You can garnish with the dry fruit and kesar. Friends, now you can enjoy sabudana kheer at your home once you follow the procedure and the tips given. It is very easy to make and also very tasty. Sabudana kheer, if it becomes thick in consistency, you can add milk into it. For the new recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. See you soon.